Hello, my dears. Now come to discuss the checkbox and radio button input groups. So you can see this checkbox and this input text are assigned to same group. Okay, and similarly, this radio button and this text field are grouped together. So this is very stylish, and sometime we use this style in websites to make it more attractive and useful. Okay, so let's see the code. This first code is for the checkbox, and this second one is for the, so we draw a line. Okay, so the first is the div. First is a div, and the class is the input group. Okay, and margin bottom is set as a 3, and then inside div we have another div. So this div contain the checkbox, and then soon after it we have the input type text. Okay, so this div, the class is input group text. So this is the class. Inside it we have input, which is of the class form check input margin 0. Okay, so this is the form check input. So then the type is obviously the checkbox, and value is null. Okay, you can remove the value, no need, and area label is checkbox for the foreign text, and for a moment we remove it. Okay, so one is the input, and input is a checkbox, and after div we have another input of the text belong to the class form control. Okay, so this is form control and this is form check, and for the input. Okay, so similarly we have this and this div with the same input group as like this, but we have then div element belong to the class input group text, and then we have form check input type of radio. So we just replace this checkbox with the radio. Okay, so further you can increase the decrease the width of these checkbox and this radio. So how you can do that? It's very easy. So this hole is inside this div, so you can assign id. Okay, and I make it d1, and this is already d1 is already set. Okay, so let's check. Now it is reduced. So you can set other properties of CSS as well. So you can put this also in a div. So one div contain the input, another div contain the text, and both of these are grouped together in another div with the class input group. So this div is very necessary. Okay, so if we remove this, no issue, but one div is necessary. Okay, why? Because it is assigned as a class input group text. So if we remove it, so it will be not considered as a group. Okay, so let's see. Now these are not considered as groups, but rather taken as a separate. This is checkbox and this is a text field. Okay, so we must have to include this in a div, and assign it as an input group text. Okay, so you can see. So this was all about the radio button and check field. Thank you.